Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will go over creating custom fields. With custom fields, just like it sounds, you can create fields to store additional info on a client profile. Now, in order to create a custom field, you must have access to the Admin Tools page. Let us log into the Caseworker portal. From the home page, click on the Settings icon on the top right and proceed to click on Administrative Tools. You are now in the Admin Tools. From here, you will select Client Custom Fields as we want to store info on the client profile. But keep in mind that you can also create custom fields in the case profile by selecting Case Custom Fields. Let us proceed with adding Client Custom Fields. We will select Add Client Custom Field. You will first select for which type of client this custom field is for. Is it for individual client profiles or business profiles? Is it for both? Check the boxes that apply. You will then give it a name. The name is something that the system will help identify this custom field when it comes to building reports and other tasks. There can be no spaces when adding a name. You will then give it a title. This is the area where you'll enter your question how you'd like to see it in the custom fields, such as, does the client have a dog? You will then select a type of custom field. The options we have here is text, number, date, Boolean, drop-down list, and text area. If selecting text, just like it sounds, you can enter any text at the moment of entering info on the custom fields in the client profile. If selecting number, you can enter a number value. If selecting date, you can enter a date. If selecting Boolean, it is a checkbox that you can select within the custom fields in the client profile. With drop-down list, you can make a list of possible answers and will select it in the custom fields. Lastly, text area is similar to text, only this option gives you a bigger box to fill out. For my example, I will use a drop-down list and add the options yes and no. Once I have my custom field created, I can click on Save. My custom field has now been created and I can enter the information in the client profile. Additionally, these custom fields can become options to add in custom intake forms, meaning I can add the question on our intake forms, and once the client answers, it transfers the info into the custom field section of the client profile. This concludes our video on creating custom fields.